We need to assemble a mini bulldozer. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the mini bulldozer. Pump. We did it! Let's prepare a track bed for the rails. Let's wash the mini bulldozer. Don't stop! We need to assemble a truck. Done! Let's load the truck. That's all. Let's lay rails for the children's train ride. We need to fix a crack on the truck. That's all. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the minecart. Ready. And now let's load the parts of a fence into the minecart. Amazing! Let's set up a fence for the safety of children. Let's wash the minecart. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the concrete mixer. We did it! And now we need to fuel the concrete mixer. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's make a platform for passengers. We need to fix a crack on the concrete mixer. Keep it up. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a flat car with containers. Ready. And now let's load the parts of a stall onto the flat car with containers. Hooray! Let's make a candy stall. We need to wash the flat car with containers. Done! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. We did it! And now let's load the roof into the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. Let's build a station building for the children's train ride. We need to fix a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Amazing! Let's grind the welding seam. Don't stop! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. Keep it up. We need to assemble the dray scene. Keep it up. Let's load candies and balloons onto the dray scene. Hooray! Let's bring candies and balloons. Let's wash the dray scene. Don't stop. Let's assemble a children's locomotive. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the children's locomotive. Pump. That's all. Let's check the work of the locomotive. Let's wash the children's locomotive. Keep it up. We need to assemble the train. Go on. You're doing really great. Let's invite children on board and begin a fun ride. The amusement ride is complete. Now we can ride a real train.